Meanwhile, West Indies Test captain Craig Brathwaite has praised the quality of the regional 4-day championship, which made a return to Jamaican shores for the first time in 4 years. Jerome Foster reports.
A bad picture was painted on the opening day of action at Chedwin Park when regional cricket returned to Jamaica, when a hose left unattended caused a waterlogged outfield. An entire day was lost then, and on the eve of the match between the Barbados Pride and the Windward Islands Volcanoes, Pride's head coach Vasbert Drakes lashed out at the state of the outfield at Kensington Park. The external issues may have created grim viewing, but on the field of play, West Indies Test captain Craig Brathwaite was left pleased, especially with at least one score over 300 runs in each of the matches in Jamaica. Brathwaite, who notched a 31st first-class century in the Pride's 4-wicket win over the Jamaica Scorpions, has also seen the long-term benefits for the West Indies team.
It's good to see. This is the type of competition you want. You don't want games finishing in 2 days. It doesn't. That doesn't help improve the cricket. So it was a good pitch here at Sabine as well. Start to spun obviously day 4, but I think the grass covering was very good. So I must say well done, to the ground staff, and just hope that we continue to have some competitive, 4-day matches for all the rounds remaining.
Despite the Scorpions coming out on the losing side, Brathwaite praised the application and qualities of Romain Morris, who made 97 in the first innings.
Yeah, I think the keeper, he played a very important innings in that first innings. That was good to see. Some positive intent.
And those sentiments have been backed up by former Test player Ryan Hines, who is part of the coaching staff for the Pride. He has also supported the expansion of the competition to 8 teams.
Most definitely, we need more first-class cricket. When we play at the international level, we're coming up against Australia and the Englands, and those guys play probably in 3 years, those guys play about 50 first-class matches. For us, we play 50 first-class matches in 10 years. So the more cricket we get, more exposure for and a wider pool to choose from.
The more cricket we play, the better. That's the truth. You got to play it. That's how you learn. So the more games you can play, the better for us. The better competition, and the more times we get 4 days of cricket, and 7 games a year, even if it could be more. I think it's good. Very happy with it.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.